Good morning. We've got him, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, you're Lupe Gomez?
I'm known as Rebecca.
Okay. What is your last name, Lupe?
Ms. West, I should have known this. I'm challenging you according to 22 United States Code 611 as a foreign agent.
Okay, well, this is state court, not federal court, and you can challenge, here you go, let's just listen. You can challenge whatever you want, but we're gonna move forward with your case with or without your cooperation. And so,
The jurisdiction?
I'm sorry,
The jurisdiction of this court?
what about it?
What jurisdiction is this court operating in?
The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, yeah, so, Stop talking. Mr.
What jurisdiction this court is operating in?
this is cause number 23 DCCR 0319. Mr. Gomez, don't speak over me.
Proving that I am dead, I'm also ordering you to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me.
Are you saying you're dead? Is that what you just said?
Are you going to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me?
I'm going to take care of the court the way I take care of court. You're not in charge here, I am. And so,
You're a
Mr.
foreign agent.
Well, I'm really,
Invoking judicial powers according to the
okay. So, Mr. Rojas,
Mr. Gomez indicated to me that he was not going to accept a plea in this case.
Sure.
I signed up on the tablet. He refused to sign. He wanted to have this hearing in front of the court, so
sure.
we can.
So what is the offer? Let's go through. It's, the charge is evading arrest or detention with previous convictions from August 29th of 2022. The indictment alleges that Mr. Gomez was previously convicted of evading arrest October 9th of 2002. And then after that was final, was convicted February 10th of 2009 with the offense of evading arrest. And after that was final, convicted April 15th of 2011 of evading arrest. And what that means is a state jail felony that the range of punishment is between 6 months and up to 2 years in a state jail prison if convicted by a jury. And what is the offer that's been made?
So 1 year state jail, Judge.
And so, Mr. Gomez, the state has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 1 year term in the state jail prison. You have every right to refuse that and have a jury come in and determine whether or not you're guilty and what your punishment would be. And is that what you want? Do you want to have a jury trial?
I will understand the proceedings, but not the proceedings.
Okay, what do you not understand?
You have disclosed the nature and the cause of the accusation again.
What?
You have not disclosed the nature and the cause of the accusation.
I just did. The nature and the cause of the accusation against you is that on August 29th of 2022, it's alleged that you intentionally fled from Chad Morrison, a person, don't talk over me, a person that you knew was a peace officer. That's the allegations against you. So if you say you did not do that on...
I'm not going to enter it.
You're not going to, okay, so we'll get a jury set up, and what we'll do is Mr. Rojas handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release him and appoint another attorney today who can begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? Are you not going to answer that?
I still don't understand the proceedings.
Okay, well, we've explained them to you. And what I'll do also, since you're saying you don't understand the proceedings, is I'm going to have Mr. Gomez evaluated for competency to stand trial. If you'll get that order done, Mr. Gomez will have someone come out to see you to do an evaluation to see if you're competent and whether or not you understand the proceedings. Mr. Rojas, you are released, and we will appoint another attorney today to begin preparation for trial, and we'll get a jury as quick as we can. You can go back with the bailiff.
The courtroom is often described as a theater of law, but what we just witnessed was a clash of two entirely different languages, one rooted in statutory reality and the other in the dense, often desperate world of sovereign citizen pseudolaw. It's a fascinating, albeit frustrating, study in the limits of procedural patience. The core of this interaction is simple. The defendant, Lupe Gomez, is attempting to derail an evading arrest charge by using tactical linguistic evasion. By questioning jurisdiction and claiming to be dead or requiring bonds to be brought forward, he isn't just defending himself. He is attempting to opt out of the social contract entirely. The judge, conversely, is performing a masterclass in judicial anchoring, refusing to be pulled into the legal quicksand, and consistently tethering the conversation back to the reality of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. From a deeper analytical perspective, this transcript highlights a growing trend of litigious theater. Gomez's claims aren't based on factual innocence, but on the belief that law is a series of magic spells. If he says the right words or cites the right obscure code, the doors must open. However, the strength of the judge's position lies in her refusal to argue the merits of his nonsense. She treats his lack of cooperation not as a legal victory for him, but as a potential clinical issue. By ordering a competency evaluation, she effectively flips the script. If you claim the law doesn't exist or that you are legally dead, the court won't grant you freedom. It will question your mental fitness to stand trial. The unique angle here is the inherent irony of the defendant's history. He is charged with evading arrest and has multiple prior convictions for the exact same offense. His behavior in court is effectively a continuation of his crime. He is still trying to evade, only now he's using syntax instead of a vehicle. It's a recursive loop of fleeing from authority. Ultimately, this case serves as a stark reminder that while the law is a flexible instrument of justice, it is not a game of semantics. You can challenge a court's jurisdiction, but you cannot talk your way out of the physical reality of a jail cell. When the sovereign citizen meets the sovereign state, the state always wins by simply following the script. So, here's a thought to leave you with. In an age where information is everywhere, is the rise of these pseudo-legal defenses a sign of a more informed public, or is it the ultimate symptom of a society that has lost its grip on shared reality?